I've been using MacBooks for 5 years, but now I can finally switch to a Linux laptop because I found something that actually meets my standards. I could be using a ThinkPad, but generally those are really slow. And what I found now is the Framework laptop. Framework is a company that creates laptops that you can keep for 10 plus years because you can actually replace the parts. And I freaking love this about them. So I just received this. I'm super excited. And we're going to unpack it now. I'm going to configure the whole thing, and I'm going to install it as a stateless workstation. So let's go. But before we dive in, I want to mention that I am not affiliated or sponsored by Framework. They don't know me. I don't know them. But if you're watching this Framework, send me a message. All right. So what I've ordered is a Framework laptop. I got the maximum spec that's available at the moment, which will be shown in the screen. I included that with a 4 terabyte WD Black SSD drive. And the RAM should also be included in this box. So let's see if I actually got the parts that I ordered. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this for weeks. Finally, I'll be able to escape big tech. Right, here comes the big reveal. What do we have in the box? Ooh. Look how nice that looks. So this is the bezel. So it's like you can see, I'm not getting a laptop in a box. I'm getting a kit. It's the bezel. It's the input cover. And here is the laptop. Look how nice that is. 13-inch, super small. Feels solid. Okay, what else do we got in the box? Yeah, so you can get these pre-assembled, but I chose, of course, to go the do-it-yourself route. And this way you get all of the parts and you just have to assemble it yourself. But what's really cool about this is that you can actually buy these expansion cards, and I'll be getting back to this later, but you can literally decide what you want to have on your laptop, and you can swap those out as your needs change. I chose to buy an Ethernet adapter because sometimes I want to have to link up without Wi-Fi, but I can just remove that and add a USB-C slot. So that's amazing. Power adapter, the memory, 64 gigs of memory. Here is what looks like maybe a bit of a toolkit or something, and some standard documentation and manuals. And that was it. Those are the contents of the box. Cool. So, where do we start? Oh, I'm so excited. So there's 2 types of people in the world. There's people who will directly attack a device and get after it, or you have those who read the manual first. And I very, very strongly belong in the second camp. I always look at the manual first. So here we have some stickers. Really like these. Look what it says. You should be able to fix your stuff. And that's exactly why I bought this laptop. A MacBook, first of all, you have to pay $1,500 fucking dollars to get 1 terabyte of storage. And secondly, if something happens to a MacBook, you cannot do anything about it. You can try sending it to Mac and they will fix it if they're feeling like it, but you have no control over your device. You cannot order a spare part. This literally is a set of parts that you have to assemble together. And you should be able to fix your stuff, the right to repair. And this is why I chose this brand. Right, loving it already. Okay, so it has a code here,